Have you ever stopped to think about this? Money doesn't care who you are. It doesn't see race, doesn't recognize religion, and definitely doesn't care about the family you come from. Money doesn't have time for any of that. Do you agree? Before we continue, click the like button now and type "amend" in the comments, and I guarantee you will be the first millionaire in your family by doing this, because infinite abundance will find you before the end of this year. It's not interested in your story, your background, or what you've been through. It doesn't ask questions about your job or your plans for it. Why? Because money plays by one set of rules, and those rules apply to everyone, no exceptions. Right now, you have the same opportunity as anyone else to become wealthy. Yes, you heard me. You have the same chance as the millionaire down the street, the entrepreneur building their empire, or the person who turned their passion into a thriving business. The only difference? They understood the rules and played by them. Here's the truth. The only person who can stop you from achieving that level of success is you. If you choose to ignore the rules, or worse, try to play the game without even knowing them, you're holding yourself back. Let me be clear. Money doesn't have eyes, ears, or a brain. It's not judging your intentions or deciding who deserves it. Money doesn't sit there trying to figure out if you're worthy. The only thing that matters to money is whether you understand how to make it work for you. It's a game, and the rules are simple, but here's the big question. Are you ready to play? In my journey to discover the secrets of wealth, I've learned from some of the most successful people in the world. They've built their fortunes in different ways, but there's one thing they all have in common. They followed the same fundamental rules. Today, I'm going to share those rules with you, because once you understand them, nothing can stop you from building wealth. Making money is like any other skill. You don't have to stop being yourself to master it. You just need to open your mind and start thinking differently. Here's what I've learned. The real difference between the rich and the poor isn't their background or their circumstances. It's their mindset. Rich people think like rich people. Poor people think like poor people. We're the ones who give money its meaning. Some people see it as freedom, others as energy, and some as the root of all evil. For centuries, money has been linked to power, well-being, and the ability to provide for loved ones. The metaphor you associate with money either pulls you closer to wealth or pushes you further away. If you have a poor mindset, it's like driving a car with one foot on the brake and the other on the gas. You're stuck. To succeed, you need to take action. At work, you're not paid for who you are, you're paid for what you do. The world rewards action, not intentions. It's surprising how many people spend their days analyzing, planning, and organizing instead of doing the one thing that matters most, taking action. After years as a financial and stock market coach, I can tell you with certainty, action is what separates winners from losers. Winners act, even if they don't always get it right. So, are you ready to take action? Because the game is waiting for you to play and win. Action is the spark that ignites success. Winners don't get it right the first time, but they learn from their mistakes and set things in motion. Much like billiard balls reacting in a chain once the first ball is struck, action creates momentum, and momentum leads to results. Have you ever noticed that the last letters of the word satisfaction spell action? That's no coincidence. In Latin, satis means enough. The Romans understood that a sufficient number of actions lead to satisfaction. You can have all the knowledge in the world, be in the right place at the right time, and possess a balanced mindset. But if you don't take action, all of that potential is meaningless. The harsh truth is this: many people are too lazy to become rich. Sure, they say they want it, but at most they'll buy a lottery ticket, hoping luck will one day be on their side. They're unwilling to make sacrifices, to study, to focus, to change. They dream of wealth without effort, hoping for a stroke of luck to do the heavy lifting. But money is like a sport. To win, you need to know the rules, have the right coaches, and dedicate time to improving every single day. Money is not the solution.
Unlock wealth in 90 days with the wisdom of a 7,000-year-old wizard. The Wealth Wizard's Secrets to be rich. Achieving wealth in 90 days helps you overcome limiting beliefs, reprogram your mind, and set clear goals. This transformative guide, packed with motivational stories and practical exercises, is your path to prosperity. Get it now for the promotional price, available only today. Click on the pinned comment link and start your journey to wealth now.
If you're thinking, if only I had a lot of money, I could solve all my problems, you're mistaken. Money isn't the engine of your life. It's the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. It can't replace relationships, health, or family. There's only one person responsible for the quality of your life: you. To succeed, you must take 100% responsibility for everything that happens to you: your results, relationships, health, income, debts, and even your emotions. This isn't easy. Many of us instinctively blame external factors for everything that goes wrong in our lives. But the truth is, you've always had the power to change your circumstances and achieve your goals. Yes, external factors exist and they can be challenging, but if they were truly insurmountable, no one would ever succeed. Yet, thousands of people overcome limiting circumstances every day. The real limitation isn't the outside world, it's you. Money amplifies who you are. Money doesn't change people, it amplifies their true nature. If you're generous and kind, money will give you the means to help even more people. If you're selfish or greedy, wealth will magnify those traits too. One of the greatest ways to align yourself with wealth is through giving. When part of your money goes to help people you don't know without expecting anything in return, you're tapping into a deeper connection with abundance. And here's the incredible part: the more you give, the more you receive. It's a universal principle. Giving opens the door to receiving. Surround yourself with wealthy minds. If you want to succeed, distance yourself from people with a poor mindset. Negative, scarcity-driven attitudes will hold you back. Instead, surround yourself with people who think abundantly, who see opportunities instead of obstacles. Wealth begins in the mind. Change your thoughts, take responsibility, act with purpose, and align yourself with those who lift you higher. That's how you create a life of abundance. The question is, are you ready to start? 78% of people in the world have a poor mindset. Now that you know this, something interesting happens. You start noticing all the poor mindsets around you. Here's the thing: if you surround yourself with poor minds, you'll become one. But if you surround yourself with rich minds, you'll cultivate a rich mindset. It really is that simple. Your environment is a reflection of your future. If you want to change your life, start by changing the people you surround yourself with. Spend time with those who challenge you to think bigger, who inspire you to take action, and who celebrate your growth. These are the individuals who will help you build the foundation for a wealthier, more abundant life. The energy of rich minds is contagious. It fuels your ambition, sharpens your focus, and keeps you moving forward. On the other hand, poor mindsets often come with limiting beliefs, excuses, and a scarcity mentality. These mindsets can subtly creep into your thinking, making you doubt your potential or settle for less than you deserve. That's why protecting your mental and emotional space is non-negotiable. Recognize the people or habits that keep you stuck in negativity and have the courage to make a change. Remember, every decision you make about who you spend your time with either brings you closer to abundance or pushes you further away from it. Building a rich mindset doesn't just happen by osmosis, it's intentional. Seek out books, videos, mentors, and conversations that elevate your thinking. Replace gossip with discussions about ideas, goals, and strategies. Choose environments that challenge you to grow, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. The more you immerse yourself in a culture of abundance, the more natural it becomes to think, act, and succeed like someone who attracts wealth effortlessly. In life, there are moments where you need to make drastic decisions. Why? Because the only thing propelling you forward is your vital energy. That's why it's crucial to identify the person or people who drain your energy the most and quietly distance yourself from them. God loves you, but you must do your part. God is always there for you, offering love and guidance. But let's be clear, God is not responsible for your failures. He wants the best for you, but you have to take responsibility for your actions. You have to earn it. Faith without action is like a seed left in the dark. It holds potential, but will never grow until it's planted and nurtured. God has already given you the tools, opportunities, and talents you need to succeed, but it's up to you to use them. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a demonstration of your faith in action. When you move with intention and purpose, you align yourself with God's plan for abundance. Taking responsibility doesn't mean you won't face challenges. It means you will approach them with resilience and determination. Every setback is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to strengthen your character. God's guidance is there to light your path, but you must be the one to walk it. Success isn't just handed out. It's earned through effort, persistence, and the courage to trust in the process. Remember, God wants you to live a life of abundance, not just financially, but in every area: relationships, health, and purpose. Abundance is His gift to you, but it requires partnership. When you align your actions with your prayers and remain faithful to the journey, you honor God's blessings and open the door to endless possibilities. The truth is, many people and religions have distorted the message to reduce their own accountability. But the real message is simple: you have to act. Prayer alone won't bring you money. Money comes to you because you desire it, respect it, and take the necessary steps to attract it. Simply praying without action won't help you connect with wealth. The same principle applies to God. If you love Him, He'll be with you. And if you respect and genuinely want money in your life, it will flow to you as well. Respecting money doesn't mean worshiping it. It means understanding its role and treating it responsibly. Money is a tool, a resource that allows you to create opportunities, support others, and build a meaningful life. When you respect money, you manage it wisely, avoid reckless decisions, and use it to align with your values. This respect creates a relationship of trust between you and money, making it more likely to flow into your life consistently. Desiring money isn't about greed, it's about acknowledging its power to enhance your life and the lives of others. When you approach wealth with intention and purpose, you signal to the universe and to yourself that you're ready to handle it. Pair that desire with action, and you begin to build momentum. This is how you create a life where money not only flows to you, but also grows and contributes to something greater. The teachings in this video highlight a profound yet simple truth: your mindset, actions and environment determine your financial success and overall quality of life. Money, as emphasized, is impartial. It doesn't judge your background or circumstances. Instead, it responds to your understanding of its rules and your willingness to take action. This isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about cultivating the habits, knowledge, and resilience required to build the life of abundance. The choice to succeed, as always, rests entirely with you. Understanding the rules of money is crucial, but so is surrounding yourself with the right influences. A rich mindset isn't something that develops in isolation. It's cultivated through intentional relationships, meaningful conversations, and a commitment to growth. The energy of abundant thinkers propels you forward, while poor mindsets drag you down. Taking responsibility for the people you surround yourself with and the environments you engage in is a necessary step toward financial freedom. Action remains the cornerstone of success. Without it, even the best intentions and knowledge are meaningless. Winners are defined by their willingness to step forward, make mistakes, and learn from them. Each action, no matter how small, generates momentum that leads to satisfaction and tangible results. This principle extends beyond wealth. It's a life lesson about turning dreams into reality through consistent, intentional effort. Faith and responsibility also play key roles in this journey. God's guidance and love are ever present, but the responsibility to act rests on your shoulders. Faith without action is dormant. It's through effort, persistence, and trust in the process that you align yourself with the abundance God intends for you. This partnership between divine guidance and personal accountability is the foundation of a fulfilling, prosperous life. Ultimately, wealth is not just about money. It's a reflection of your mindset, values, and the actions you take. Respecting and desiring money while maintaining balance in relationships, health, and purpose creates a life of abundance. The path to financial success begins with a decision to take responsibility, act with intention, and embrace the lessons shared here. This is your invitation to step into a life where wealth flows freely and purposefully. The game is waiting. Are you ready to win? Your next step to financial abundance. Until the next video, remember this: a video chosen by the universe to open the doors to financial abundance is now appearing on your screen. Click it and continue expanding your mind until you become the first millionaire in your family. I love you, my young apprentice. See you in the next video.